all decked up and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I will be taking you guys on the wedding and the mehndi ceremony of one of my friend. I'm all decked up and wearing this green suit. So usually on mehndi everyone wears green suit, so I have worn this one from Amazon and I have my dupatta. I've done my eye makeup like very light and green and it's super hot, so my hair looks a little bit of frizzy. I'll show you guys the whole outfit. So if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And this is going to be a very fun vlog, so keep on watching. I'll show you guys around and I'm just getting super late, so I'm just going to pick up my friend and going to the venue. Sorry, my room is a mess because I was getting ready, but this is the outfit, wearing some simple chappals because we are going to dance today. Then I have this green suit with golden chunni, really like it. So guys, we are at the venue and this is Riya for the first time. So guys, फिर से शुरू कर रही हूँ. This is Riya, one of my friends, and first time आप इसको vlog में देख रहे हो. Look at her outfit. So we are at the venue. Not checking your face, baby. बड़ी अच्छी लग रही है. तूने ये पहनी है पहले? पारू the gifts. ये मैंने कहीं बाहर. So guys, यहाँ पे मेरे को आएगा बहुत सारा कॉपीराइट इशू. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव म्यूटेड द ऑडियो, क्योंकि गाने बहुत ही लाउड चल रहे थे. एंड दिस वाज द वेन्यू फॉर द संगीत रसम एंड वी डांस्ड अ लॉट. This was the mehndi that was put on Neha's hand. She was looking super pretty and सबसे ज़्यादा मेहंदी तो bride को ही लगती है. And she also had her hashtag written on her hand, that is Neha said yes. It was super cute and her outfit, she looked so pretty. One by one everyone was putting mehendi, so I thought why not, I should also give it a try. And I got on my left hand because from last 2 years I could not get because of the shoots and my office stuff, but this time I was really happy. And here is Amrita writing Neha said yes. It was her duty, like सबके हाथ पे जाके एक एक करके लिख रही थी. This was the only purpose of her life that night. फिर हमने थोड़ा सा कराया फोटोशूट एंड उसके बाद वी एट समथिंग एंड डांस्ड अ लॉट. आई ऑल्सो गॉट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मेहंदी एंड इट लुक्स सुपर प्रिटी. आई शो यू इन द व्लॉग एट द एंड. एंड दिस इज इट. यहाँ पे मैंने सब म्यूट कराया जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कॉपीराइट इशू, वरना बहुत ही अमेजिंग सॉन्ग्स चल रहे थे. एंड हियर इज अमृता फाइनली गॉट हर चांस टू बी द वन एंड शी इज़ गेटिंग हर मेहंदी डन. This is my simple design actually. I got it very light and just on the one hand. So guys, I wanted to show you something like these kurta that I wore on the mehndi night of Neha's wedding. You can find all of these kurta on Mera link. It's in the description box, so you can find that link where you can find all the catalogs of kurtis under 1000 or less than that, and the quality is super amazing. I usually purchase from them and the policy is so great. They have return and exchange policy. Also there is free delivery and shipping on all of these products. They also have dresses, kurtis, tops and lot of footwear, so you can check everything out from the link in the description box. Also, if you like anything, you can shop very easily. They also have an option of WhatsApp buddy from where you can shop very easily and chat with them. And also today is the wedding day and I am just about to get ready in the evening. I just came back home in morning and it was so tiring yesterday night, but it was really great. Came back home very late and I have shot some of the images for you guys. I also got mehndi on my hand and it says Neha said yes hashtag. And today we are going for the wedding. I'm just prepping all the stuff that I need to take because the venue is a little bit far. So I'll just carry all my stuff, my lehenga and everything. I'll show you how I'll look. So guys, we are at this hotel and अभी होंगे हम ready. अमृता से हाय. हमने कर्ल्स दिखा दे चल. Look at the curls.
जो भी खराब हो चुके हैं.
Funny story, when we reached here, the parking lot was quite shady. However, the hotel is nice and we will get ready in just 20-30 minutes and we are about to go because it's almost 9 and we are late. But we have all our stuff here and we'll get ready. So Amrita is wearing this color green lehenga and mera hai yellow. I'll just show you guys. So this is mine, yellow color lehenga. And ये क्या ब्लाउज बहुत अलग से लग रहा है. So guys, I am ready. It's for my vlog, baby. रुको लेती हूँ फोटो. Morning. So yesterday night it rained like crazy. We wanted to go for the फेरा but यहाँ पे इतनी बारिश थी, इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश थी कि we can't go और यहीं पे पूरी रात निकल गई होटल में. और अभी नेक्स्ट डे है. I just woke up and we are heading back to Gurgaon because the water logging here is crazy. And this was it, the wedding vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.